Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you have physical access and the right to reset this admin password. Once done, plug a recovery USB or Windows install media. Reboot and enter BIOS or UEFI, press F12, ESC, or Del to choose the boot device. You need to reach the recovery environment quickly, so make sure secure boot settings won't block the media. Back up any irreplaceable files to an external drive now if available, because later steps can overwrite system state and you don't want to lose data. You'll continue in the recovery command prompt. Choose Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options, then Command Prompt. Next, use the Utilman replacement trick or directly edit the SAM by replacing Utilman. EXE with CMD. EXE to get system-level shell at login. Once you have a prompt, run net user administrator new P at SS123 to set a new password. Pick a unique, strong password instead of this example. Afterward, restore the original Utilman. EXE file and reboot. This method you finish by rebooting normally and logging in with the new admin password. Verify you have expected permissions and that critical services start. If you can't log in, don't panic. Boot to safe mode, rerun the replacement steps, and check the SAM registry hive for corruption. If corrupted, restore from a system backup or shadow copy. Once access is restored, update other account passwords, enable two-factor authentication where possible, and document recovery steps in a secure place so you avoid repeats.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.